Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform into everyone's favorite mischievous Sanrio girl, Kuromi, complete with the iconic school hat, wicked pigtails, and that perfectly edgy pink and black aesthetic. So I'm going to show you all the essential DTI items and secret hacks to make your Kuromi outfit totally cute and completely slay the runway. So now let's just get started. So first for the hair, I only use this pigtail and change the color to black and this purple color. And now let's go put on this tops right here. First color, make it black, and the rest in a purple color. And then here I'm going to also put on this things and just put on the shoe. I'm going to use this boots in here, change the third and last preview into purple. Now head into the section and put on some other accessory. So for the hat, here is the trick. So first put on this one, change the color into white, and I'm going to make all the material in light silk. Now put on this one in black color, also in light silk material. This ribbon right here in purple, and then this hat, this one in black color. Now head in here and put on the sleeping mask to glitz into on head. Now change the color to white and black. Let me grab this earring first, and purple, also this bag right here. For the bag in black, and for the accent in purple. Put on this two skirt, this one in purple and also this in black. Now for the hat, I also going to put this glasses right here in black color to glitz into number 2. Now you can just go into the dressing room, put on this dress, but to glitz into number 4, so you only use the sleeves. Change the color into black, and this necklace right here in purple. And now your Kuromi look is done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.